So now we are coming to the most happy ending. So we are going to launch the site. So as you can see, I have been using the same web template or theme on WordPress. As I have shown you, it's Avada SEO. And what you can see that it's very beautiful itself. It has already a lot of pages, really beautiful pages I can use, I can develop, and I can use it for the presentations. So this is what is all possible to do and use. But what I have decided right now is to create a starting website. And this is very important to launch your website as soon as you can, and then you can develop it. So as you can see, we have just changed the logo and just use the copywriting to be really fast, and also to use the SEO optimization, because the domain is digital marketing courses online. And of course, we have digital marketing course like in the heading. And you can see people can immediately see the most important just coming to the website. And of course, it's fully responsive. That's also great. They have just one call to action. That's very easy for them in raw now. And so basically you can see it's very easy to use it on mobile. So it's very easy to use it, and it's very easy. So now you can see we can check all mobile versions, and it's really perfect. And so right now what we are going to do, we switch back. And we just created, I think, very easy to follow copywriting. Become a digital marketing master. Don't just sit and let life pass by you. Help you succeed. Clear video explainers and get results. So it's very easy to follow. They can immediately understand it's video training. And they have very easy overview of the most important courses: digital marketing, Facebook ads, SEO, dynamic ads, video marketing, real estate, lead generation, and then we have the testimonials and the logos of technologies we are using. And what are you waiting for? What I really like about Avada is the easy usage. So it means that I can change everything very easily. Even you can see that you can just start writing. So you can, for example, change this so easily. There is no need of any coding knowledge at all. So everything is very easy. You just click to change the content box, and you can just choose the icon. You can just write, and just this way you can change the icon. You can search for it. It's really easy, very easy, that I like. And you always close it this way. The same if you want to change the image, you just click and you just remove or edit, and you choose or you upload another image. So this is very easy to use, and I really like it. You can also choose the border size, and of course align, going to light box, This is important to describe the image, and I have decided to be clickable, so you can just put the link and I will open it in the blank. That means open in a new window. So if you choose self, it will go directly from the page and blank is the new window. Then I can decide if this will be seeable on like tablet and also on mobile, so I keep all active. And this is really joyful. It's really joyful play. The same if you wanna change this content, and for example I have the brands or solid or just normal logos, so I would love to choose another Google, so I can choose more, or the same Facebook, so I can like choose more Facebook Messenger, so it's all very easy to change. And when I click on it, I just change it immediately. And what's really great, I can see it. So this is what I like, that it's very easy to use. And also you can flip icon horizontal, vertical if you need. So there are many possibilities. Rotate the icon if you need. So you can easily change the color, background. So it's very easy. And then just I have the link for read more, link text, and of course read more in a new or same window, so I choose a new and just the text. And this way you can see continue writing, it will immediately appear. And that's really great, so I can double check everything is going the way, and each column has the same size, so it's really easy to use. What you can also do, for example, you like this, so you can save it. It's called, you can save either the column itself, or what's great, you can save the element. So I will just save the element as 4 columns courses. And then anytime I need, I can use this element. So let's say I would love now to like place this element whatever place I like, I can always do it. Or what I can do, I can simply clone it. And this way I can just start editing, and I can just start adding more courses so easily. So now the same way I can delete it. Or I can save also this complete layout. And this is called container. So I will just call it our courses 8. And this is okay. And this way I can build my library, and anytime I need, I can use it. So if you need to imagine it more, the same way it is here. I can just start editing the options, and I can just add the testimonial. I can move with it. And of course, it's also very, very easy to delete it. And I can also edit it. So you can see this is the name, Udemy student, and this is basically the content. So this is very easy to use, and I really like it. And basically what you can always do, you can also like move the containers. So what does it mean? It simply means that I can take it and I can also place it here if I would like. So it's very easy to move it, so it's just drag and drop. What you can also do, you can add the container. So let's say I just show you the example. I click to the library and I have already saved this our 8 courses, so I just add it. And now you can see I have edited, and this way it's really easy to use it. So in the same way I can just delete it. The same with these logos. I can just very easily click on the image options. I can very easily just change it. So I have the media library and I can very easily change the image or upload a new image. And if I click here, I can very easily add new image, or I can swap, drag and drop, so it's exceptionally easy to use. So everything you just click to change and you can just start changing it immediately. Sometimes you need to right-click to text as there is a little bit styling and you just start editing here. But it's really so easy to use and I'm really happy for it. What's really great is that you always just create it and you just follow, and it's very intuitive. So basically it's nearly impossible to do any mistake. The same if you wanna just edit the slide, it's the same, the slide will just open and we can edit the slide in seconds. So I would just click here and I can just change it and I can see it immediately. Just I will show you the button. It's very easy just to change the text, but what you need to go for actions and you can see it's a link, and then you just paste the link and you need to have the target for new window if you want to open it in a new window. So this easy it is, there is nothing really special, and you just click and save it. And the same you can go for, if you want to go, you can just exit to page front end to see the page, or back end. So let's just click here to the back end of the page. And this is also possible to use the Fusion Builder, and it's the same. You just click and you can just start editing. You just click and you can just change the picture. You can just decide about the style and border, and everything is the same. It's very easy. If you need, you have the overview. You can also like open, close. So you want to go just for testimonials, so you can do it. And also what's great that you can name every part of the page or container it is called. So I can just rename it 8 courses overview, and this is basically, I can just click update, so I have better overview, and so it's very easy to use it. And what I wanted to show you is also this SEO. As I was telling that we are using the SEO, that's called SEO. We have SEO Yoast. It's very easy to use it. So let's say key phrase in subheading, use it more. So let's double check our subheading and we will see we need to go a little bit up. So it should be, we have digital marketing, so we have it. So it doesn't mean that it has to be absolutely perfect, but it's good when you follow and try to match at least 8 to 10 advices. So it's now green, so you can see I can't really paste the internal links because I need to build more pages, but otherwise I have some outbound links, key phrase introduction, key phrase length, density, meta description. So it's really great that it's all giving you advices. You can easily edit the snippet. And what you can also do, you can follow these advices, and also what you can do, you can always click and you are guided to the article. So that's very great that you are guided and every topic that is advised is explained to you. So this is really great. So I would need to know more about the internal links. So this is simply I need to create more pages and link them together in the content. So it's really great. So if you manage to have like 11, this is, I think, really great. So the same, the theme options, just uploading the logo was very easy. Just you upload the logo, there is nothing, you just have everything in the media library and you just choose your logo. And also what I like in the advanced code fields, I have the Google Analytics, I can also use the Facebook pixel or more codes. And I like the performance settings. So I have some quality of the pictures, and then basically we have lazy loading, swipe all, disable emoji script, I don't use them, and then I try my best to activate for the speed as much as I can. So I can just reset the caches and I just save it. So it's very easy. Now we need to double check, that's important. If you go to the media, that's one of the most important points people often miss. So what does it mean? It means that every picture you need to describe. So you click on it and you can see I have here messenger ads, video training and video courses online. Now we have Instagram ads, we have Facebook ads, we have YouTube education and video marketing online, YouTube Studio online, WordPress create magnificent websites, Udemy educational video platform. So this is very important for SEO and for Google to describe the pictures. So please, you always need to keep this and remember that you need to create unique descriptions for your courses and for your, for your media. So that's very important. Even if you have some, let's say, just pictures from Avada, I always describe them. So I'm really sure that each of the media, each picture is described. Then plugins, as I told you, it's very easy to add plugins. So you can just click to add new. And I was adding few plugins. So let's say I was using the Yoast. So I would love to install it. So You just search for the plugin and you just click to install and then you activate it. So it's very easy to use it. Also, you can just go to the installed plugins, and if you need to remove, you just click deactivate and then you click to remove it. One of the greatest plugins I like is this duplicate post. This is really great because if you create page and you want to use it as template, you just click to duplicate the page and it's duplicated within seconds. Now for SEO, we need to go through this configuration wizard. So what we will be doing is that we will be simply step by step choosing. So I'm going to be ready and indexed. And this is really a challenge for us. Like if you have a small offline business, online shop, this is very easy to decide, but I have just a presentation of my courses. So I will probably call it online shop because you can click and go to Udemy. Then we will call it digital marketing courses online. We will choose the image, so we will just use the logo. Let's say this is logo, so we just choose the image. And we will just put here the YouTube, so I will just put it here. So, and I will also use the Facebook, so I just copy paste. You can see that I will use the Facebook. And of course, if you have Wikipedia or Instagram, or you can choose and you can just copy paste. Then we click for next. Yes, pages. Yes, we can use all this. It's okay. Even with, we don't have some special frequently asked questions. We can create them. We can also create the portfolio. So we just click yes. We do not have multiple authors. So we just click next. And as you can see, you are guided, so we will just use this. I like this to be used. And now you can see that you can even continue learning and you can get some more trainings. You can watch the videos. This way they are mainly trying to sell you the full plugin. So I'm using the free version, and this way they are like giving you more information about keyword research. So when we click on it, you can like start even the trial, so that's good. So you can go for trial. And so basically I have also installed this VP Smash. So what I did, I just set up this to be active, and it has smashed for us the pictures. So you can see there are some savings, and basically when you install it, it will just check the pictures for you and it will smash it for you. And what I also did, I have decided for the speed to use the VP fastest cache finally. I did also the optimization and it did quite a lot of reduction. Even I was preparing the files and media to be perfect, so I have still reached great optimizations. and I have decided to activate the premium version. So this simply means that you can just set it up. It's very easy to set it up. You just click all that's possible to set up. Then I have also the options to delete the cache if I need. So just click and delete the cache and delete cache and minify. So also the image optimization is now okay. It's all success. And you know, I have activated this premium, but you can also use the free version. This I don't need specially, and I have used this CDN by Fulton. So it's simply WordPress Content Delivery Network Services. So I just click and I just use the random. I just click next, next, and next, and finish. And also it has proceeded database operations. So I just click to proceed it all and also to clean all. So it is optimizing the database. So basically I have decided for this because this testimonial was important for me. I tested 4 different plugins and this one was the only one that was perfect for Avada. And you can see there it's not so expensive, like the lifetime license for $50, and basically it's really perfect. And you can see you have this is the free version, even this is great, so it's really good. And the complete premium has even more, but even you will be using this free version, this is also good. If you will invest $50, you can get much more benefits. And then basically what we have also is the security. I have used the all-in-one security plugin, VP security all-in-one. So I'm not using all the functions, but just 375, but it's really good. So I'm really happy with it. And again, it's very, very easy to use it because you just click and you just follow on the left side, and you can basically see that you just step by step set up the protections, and it's really easy. You just activate it. You can also proceed backups, and I think it's really easy to use. VP generate meta info, this we don't need really. Then you just click for user accounts and you just follow step by step. You just basically activate it step by step, the most important. You can see you really go step by step, you activate it step by step. So it's very, very easy to use it. I have decided this force logout not to use. I don't like it to be logged out, because what I did in this brute force is that I have this whitelist, so I have whitelisted this, so if I am home I am always secure, so this is good to have. And then might I use the force logout, but it's really easy to use and I've never studied anything, I just use it. The only point I wanted to show you, if you are using this jetpack, or as I was showing you the usage of the CDN WordPress, So it might need this RPC functionality, so you click here. So otherwise you can use the full power. And basically that's it. It's really very easy to use. And the last I did is DVP optimized, and this is again, you know, the optimization of the database to be fast loading, but you can see it's so much optimized now. So, and basically what we can do, we can just proceed the last time, double check of the website, and you can see it's running now. So the slider is really nice. I like how the slider is running. So we can double check for more, and it's really nice how it is interactive. And it's really nice, clean starting website. So it's really, really cool. So, you know, it's really, really cool. I like it. I'm really happy for it. So now what we can do, we just go to the Bluehost, and we of course have some recommendations from Bluehost, but we have already created the website, we have optimized the website. So I think it's really great time to launch it. So this is the most happy moment. So we just click to launch my website, and we just click launch my site anyway. And now this can happen, but it will launch, you can be sure about it. And I'm really happy for this. So it's really nice website, and I'm really happy, and it's active. So you can see it's just launching. So now the website is active, and we can open the champagne, we can celebrate. So this is how it is. So it's much better, even you have many options of the pages, just to launch the website immediately and start using the website immediately. So I wish you great success with launching your website, and I hope this complete guide was very useful for you. So please be happy, please benefit from it, and you can easily sell such websites from $1,000 to $5,000. So please be happy to use this power and use it and reach great success.